Hey there, home gardeners! Welcome to another exciting gardening adventure. Ready to transform your garden into a tomato paradise? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, this guide is for you. Stick around as I guide you through mastering tomato gardening from seed to harvest in just 3 minutes. We'll cover everything you need to know to grow juicy, delicious tomatoes right in your backyard. First off, tomatoes are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins C and K, potassium, and folate. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health. They're great for your heart and skin too. Consuming tomatoes can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve skin health. Let's talk climate. Tomatoes thrive in temperatures between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. This warm climate is ideal for their growth and fruit production. The best time to plant them is after the last frost in spring. This ensures that the young plants are not damaged by cold weather. Start with soil preparation. Tomatoes love well-draining, fertile soil with a pH of 6 to 6.8. Testing your soil's pH can help you make any necessary adjustments. Mix compost into your soil to boost nutrients. Compost adds essential organic matter that improves soil structure and fertility. When it comes to spacing, plant your tomato seeds about 60 to 75 centimeters apart to give them room to grow. Proper spacing helps prevent disease and allows for better air circulation. Plant the seeds about 1 to 2 centimeters deep. Watering is crucial for seed germination and plant growth. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other issues. Water them early in the morning to reduce evaporation. This practice ensures that the plants have enough moisture throughout the day. As the plants grow, water deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root development. Deep watering helps the roots grow deeper into the soil, making the plants more resilient. Tomatoes love sunlight. Make sure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Sunlight is crucial for photosynthesis and fruit production. Now, caring for your tomato plants involves regular maintenance and attention. Stake or cage them to support their growth and keep the fruits off the ground. This prevents the fruits from rotting and makes harvesting easier. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids and caterpillars. These pests can damage your plants and reduce your yield. Use organic pesticides or introduce natural predators like ladybugs to control them. Organic methods are safer for the environment and your health. So how do you know when your tomatoes are ready to harvest? Timing is key to getting the best flavor and texture. Look for vibrant color and a slight give when you gently squeeze them. Ripe tomatoes should feel firm but yield slightly to pressure. Harvest them by cutting the stem with a pair of garden scissors or shears, leaving a small portion of the stem attached. This helps the tomatoes stay fresh longer. Finally, storing and using your tomatoes is just as important as growing them. Store ripe tomatoes at room temperature and away from direct sunlight. This prevents them from becoming overripe too quickly. Use them in salads, sauces, or simply enjoy them fresh. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to growing your own delicious tomatoes. Happy gardening! Enjoy the fruits of your labor and share your bounty with friends and family.